Hello Mallards, it is Sunday and today we had a matinee of Ophelia and it went lovely. And I just have some footage that I took during mic check because we were all being silly goofy and I thought it would be enjoyable.
It happens very rarely. I turn to HelloFresh. Meal ready boxes whenever you want. When I need to crack open a bottle of red wine at 1 a.m., HelloFresh is there.
What,
HelloFresh does wine?
HelloFresh does wine now.
Whoa, I didn't go get HelloFresh, the description of the
What would all the flowers be sponsored
Megan, you
by
missed
every day?
her saying welcome to Cooking Cookies with Columbine.
I got the idea.
Columbine.
Rosebud brought to you by
Columbine is killing the American household.
Oh my god, it is.
Oh my
it is.
God.
It's
What
for...
would I want it
low lives who don't have husbands.
Oh my god,
yet.
Raid Shadow Legends.
Or who don't have wives.
We're really sponsored by Raid Shadow
Oh, yeah,
Legends.
he is. I think Daisy's sponsored by Arab, but she forced them to make like gin scent pod.
You're so right.
And she's like, it's like I'm having gin, cause I am.
It's working for now.
Daisy seems like she'd be sponsored by Scentbird.
Ooh. I mean, Megan would like to be sponsored by Scentbird.
Yeah.
Also, if Daisy was sponsored by Scentbird, she'd try to eat the perfume.
Exactly.
That it has an alcohol content.
Exactly.
She is the is this whiskey or perfume John Mulaney bit incarnate. If anyone knows what that bit is.
Yeah.
all right, keep it going. What about Pansy?
Pansy would be sponsored by ExpressVPN.
Tresemme.
Oh, Tresemme.
What is that hair thing that's like, we make shampoo with your name on it?
Oh my god.
Specifically for
Pros?
you.
Pros. I think probably Pros.
I know what you're
Dollar
talking
Shave
about.
Club or curl.
I was thinking
What?
maybe
Hairology?
because maybe she's born with that.
Hairology.
Mm.
She is.
Yeah, I think it's hairology.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
You're like, all
Hairology.
of your shampoo can have my name on it. Well, actually, we'll have your name on it, and that's worse. But
I'm obsessed.
Okay, Dollar Shave Club would maybe be Polonius, you know?
Yeah, I think Dollar Shave Club.
A little off the stuff. If you only love yourself, then there's no room for anybody else. Be vain, or else you'll go insane.
Thank you, Daisy.
clingy and dingy and ditzy and dumb. She's sweet as candy but sticky as gum. Better wash out that mama shampoo in the shower. Power to wallflowers who will devour men who try to deflower us. Sour us, dour us, and overpower us. Call us crazy. You're trying it.
Let's just accept everything we've got here. I know it's not what you envisioned, dear. This is not the key of the song. You can tell that now.
I hope you liked that footage. And now I'm gonna go to bed early. I think it's like 10 o'clock. Wow, what a miracle. Me? Maybe getting sleep? Who knows? I'll see you tomorrow.